Bring you a 3-minute digest of what happened in China's business sector. This is China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie Lee. Our top stories today. The death toll from torrential rains in central China's Henan province has risen to 302 and another 50 people remain missing as of Monday noon. The State Council announced on Monday that it had set up an investigative team to look into the Zhengzhou flood and evaluate the disaster response process. Shenzhen proposed that in the stage of compulsory education, the municipal and district educational department should implement student enrollment in wider school districts, establish a teacher exchange system for compulsory education schools, and improve the mechanism for co-construction and sharing of high-quality educational resources. China bagged 2 gold medals today in men's diving 3-meter springboard and men's gymnastic parallel bars. By 5 p.m. Tuesday, China ranks first in the Olympic medal rally with 31 golds, 19 silvers and 16 bronzes, followed by the US and Japan with 22 and 18 golds respectively. Update on COVID-19. China's mainland reported 61 locally transmitted cases yesterday. 40 new confirmed cases were reported in Yangzhou, Jiangsu province. The infection cluster can be traced back to Mahjong Palace. And Wuhan added 9 infections yesterday, prompting the city to order a round of nucleic acid testing on all residents. At the Shanghai Pudong International Airport, a staffer serving foreign freighters was tested positive. The airport immediately carried out an overnight testing on all personnel. Zhengzhou in Henan province also saw a resurgence of 63 cases in the past few days. Authorities believe that the cluster is related to hospital infections. 86 cities in 31 provinces across China issued over 100 travel reminders of epidemic prevention and control within the past 6 days. Next on industry and company news. Beijing Administration for Market Regulation has fined 3 tutoring firms for acts such as false advertising, running unlicensed schools, and illegal pricing. 3 firms, Xueda Education, ABC Foreign Language School, and 51 Talk, were fined a total of 1.92 million yuan. China Huarong Asset Management, the country's bad debt manager, plans a public transfer of its 70% equity in Huarong Consumer Finance to external parties, it said Monday in a filing. The state-owned company also intends to negotiate with main institutional creditors of Huarong Trust outstanding debt to complete a debt-to-equity swap and equity transfer. Electric vehicle maker Li Auto will begin trading at the Hong Kong stock market on August 12, according to a document released by Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing. The company is offering 100 million shares in its IPO for as much as 150 Hong Kong dollars each. This will make Li Auto the second US-listed Chinese electric vehicle first-tier brand to list on the Hong Kong capital market after XPeng Motors. Tencent introduced stricter game addiction prevention measures for minors on Tuesday, including reducing maximum game time and banning top-ups, after the country doubled down on screen time management to curb addictions. The shares of Hong Kong traded online gaming companies plummeted today, with Tencent tumbled more than 6%, Bilibili down 3.4%, and NetEase slumped more than 7.7%. Due to the recent COVID-19 outbreak, stocks related to coronavirus testing skyrocketed today, with Pony testing rising 18%. Bohui Innovation Technology, Onefold Biotech, Liedman Biochemistry, and Da'an Gene also recorded growth. Switching gears to the financial sector. The Board of Governors of the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, has approved a new general allocation of special drawing right, or SDR, equivalent to $650 billion, the largest allocation in the IMF's history, in an effort to boost global liquidity amid the COVID-19 pandemic, according to an IMF statement released Monday. The general allocation of SDRs will become effective on August 23rd. And wrapping up with a quick look at the stock markets, Chinese stocks closed lower on Tuesday with the benchmark Shanghai Composite Index down 0.47% at 3,447 points. The Shenzhen Component Index closed 0.41% lower at 14,736 points. The Hang Seng Index dipped 0.16% to stand at 26,194 points. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow on China Business Now by 21st Century Business Herald. Goodbye.